Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Tranya T10 Wireless Earbuds. This is a set of premium earbuds available to purchase on Amazon. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, Tranya have very kindly sent us a set of wireless earbuds here to the Tech Travel Geeks so that we can review them. And so I'm going to go through with the usual unboxing, and then once we've unboxed the item, we'll look at how they perform in my first impressions. So as far as packaging goes, this is a relatively square box with a few details on the back of what the key features are. So 12mm drivers for the earbuds. They're aptX 7 waterproof earbuds. The case charges via Type-C, USB Type-C, and wireless charging, which is a great feature. Something that we've already seen on the Urbanista Paris headphones, but this is really good to see that it's coming to other brands as well. And it also has clear calls, but more importantly, Qualcomm aptX, which means that it is optimizing the Bluetooth communication between the two earbuds for better sound quality and less latency. Now the box is quite tightly packed, so I'm going to have to get my nails into this. But once I do, there we go. So Tranya really putting their branding up front, as you can see here. I will just open that up. So inside the first cardboard envelope, you have a card inviting you to register your product so that you have 15-month warranty. A nice premium transparent sticker so you can show off the fact that you have a set of Tranya headphones, and a very simple user manual with some good illustrations. That's really quite handy, as well as a QR code to all their social channels. Now the box itself is really well presented for a set of wireless earbuds. It has a nice lip that pulls out the charging case itself, which is very nice. It's nice and round, it's got some nice glossy detailing around the edges, and little LED indicator lights to tell you how they're charging. And on the back you can see the USB Type-C charging port, which is also going to be used alongside the wireless charging in the bottom, and the earbuds themselves. But before we go into the earbuds, let's have a look at what else is in the box. So in a separate box here, no surprises, there's going to be a USB cable, and it is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C, as expected, and some extra earbud tips so that we can make sure we have the best fit possible. So I'm going to put the packaging aside now, and first things first, we're going to have a look at the earbuds. So as they're placed in the case, you can see they're nicely shaped, and that's one of them turned on immediately. So 2 pogo pins nicely placed wide aside and then magnetically kept in place in the case, and the same with the other one. Now these are both now in pairing mode. You can see the case comes fully charged as it comes out of the box, and that's nice first impressions from the hardware. The packaging is really good. It definitely is a premium product by the look and feel of it. What I'm going to do now is pair these Tranya T10 wireless earbuds with my Huawei P40 and my iPhone 11. I'm going to put them through their paces with regards to audio, and specifically I'm going to focus on podcasts, audiobooks, and some music to see how they perform. And it'll just be a few seconds for you whilst we'll put in a mid-roll ad, but I'll be back in a while after having put them through their paces to give you some first impressions of the Tranya earbuds. Okay then, I'm back after having spent some time with the Tranya TX10 earbuds, and I'm really quite pleasantly surprised by how good the sound quality is on these earbuds. So I was playing around with them on iOS and Android. It's very straightforward Bluetooth pairing, no issues there. And then once I'd done that, I started focusing on the sound quality. So I was listening to the usual mix of 90s cheesy pop with lots of bass and treble, and the sound quality is very, very good. After I went through my usual music selection for testing earbuds, I moved on to watch some video to see if there was any lag between what was happening on the screen of the device and the earbuds. And nothing really to notice. They're very good and very fast at sync with both the Huawei P30 Pro and the Apple iPhone 11. I also played some podcasts and audiobooks using Audible and Pocket Casts, and I had no issues whatsoever. The voices in both apps seemed to be clear, no issues there, no dropouts. And I walked down the corridor in my flat to see what the distance of pairing was like. No issues walking from my spare room to the living room, and that's around about 10 to 12 meters from down the corridor. So very good overall earbuds. They fit nicely in my ear. I didn't have to change any earbuds with the tips that came provided. They all worked very well. And then, once I'd done those few tests, I put them down on my wireless charger. And guess what? They charge beautifully. So I'm going to lift this up, and you can see that on the wireless charger, the earbuds are charging. Not only that, the USB Type-C cable works great. I just checked to see that my Huawei P30 Pro charger cable worked with them, and it works perfectly. So as far as I'm concerned, these are a really good pair of premium earbuds available to purchase on Amazon. We will leave the link to this product on the description to this video. And if you're interested, now is a good time to buy these because there's a voucher or a discount on the product of £10. So at the moment, the recommended retail price and the standard Amazon price is £49.99, that's pounds sterling, so very close to £50. And at the moment, they're 20% off, so they're £39.99. So for a pair of IPX7 waterproof earbuds, really good sound quality with very little latency between what's on your smartphone or tablet or computer to the sound that's coming out, and wireless charging as well as Type-C charging, these are really good value for money. I'd say this is a very good buy at the moment. Not only that, IPX7 means you can maybe go running somewhere like here in Scotland and not get them damaged, which is great. So, solid product. The declared battery life is 8 hours per charge. So that's really, really long time for the earbuds themselves. And a total of 24 hours including the case. Obviously this is a top level number. Your mileage may vary with these, and I tend to not really heed that. But if they're offering 24 hours with the case and the buds as a total, that must mean that they're pretty confident it's a good number. Even if you don't get all the way to 24 hours with one charge, you'll get a good run with them. For now, that's everything for the unboxing and first impressions of the Tranya wireless earbuds. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you like this video, drop us a like. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll do the best to get back to you as soon as we can. But thanks for watching, and goodbye.